Ooh, I need to film. Or I need to hurry up with this video. It's late. And the people in my house are probably like, shut up. But it's okay. Because I ain't getting no sleep because of y'all. Y'all not gonna get no sleep because of me. Hello everyone, it's Christian Skaggs and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be inspired by Valentine's Day. I don't know why, but I love Valentine's Day. And I have been single all my life. In the recent years, I have taken Valentine's Day as an opportunity to pamper myself and treat myself very well. So now I kind of look forward to it because I like pampering myself. Who doesn't? So for today's video, I have an artistry look planned. To be honest, I'm really not feeling it. It's late, I'm tired, but I wanted to put out a video for you guys and I wanted to do this look anyway. So let's get right into this artsy Valentine's Day look. Okay guys, so I finished the look. It is now almost 4 a.m. I'm exhausted. I want to go to bed. But this look turned out really cute, and I'm proud of myself. Leave a comment down below, tell me what you think about this look and if you're gonna try it or not, because I would love it if you guys would try this look and then send me a picture so I can see. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here. It's very late. I'm gonna go to bed. If you made it this far into the video, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later.